Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am going to unbox one small LED batten that is coming from the company Wipro, and the model is written here clearly. You can see that is Wipro Garnet. This is a small LED tube light, what we call actually LED batten. This type of 5-watt LED batten you can install in staircases or where small amount of light is required. Instead of installing LED lamp, this will be very decorative, and of course the light is coming from this type of batten will not irritate your eyes. It is very cool daylight will come from this type of LED batten. So for both these purposes will be served, that is, it will not irritate your eye, so it will be eye soothing, and also the decoration purpose, we can say it is a stylish 5-watt LED batten. So we can see here some salient features are written on the box back. It is LM80 tested LED technology, high voltage protection up to 440 volt, wide voltage range from 100 to 300 AC voltage, soft and glare free light. That is very important because this type of LED batten will offer you cool daylight, so it will not irritate your eye. That is the plus point of such type of LED batten. Here no UV and IR radiation you will get from this LED batten, and energy saving up to 60%. The price of the product is clearly written on the box pack, that is 340 rupees, but the deal price was, I have bought it from the Amazon, it is 236, but I have got the product after the bank discount to 13 rupees. Now you can see here it is clearly written the length of the batten is 305 millimeter, that is actually 30.5 centimeter, which is, you can assume this is the length of a 30 centimeter scale. Without wasting time, we will unveil the product and I will show you after installing it how the lights are coming from this 5-watt LED batten. Now you can see the packaging is really good, and with this package the company has given wall mounting articles. LED batten is really stylish, and the upper case, the diffuser what is used here, and due to this diffuser, this light which is coming from the 5-watt Wipro LED batten will not irritate your eye, it will be eye soothing also. So this is the plus point of this LED batten. So if you install such type of LED batten in your house, in your home, in your room, then of course obviously it will enhance the looking quality, and that is the decoration purpose, it will be enhanced. You can see it is clearly written here LED batten 5-watt, 6500K temperature, 500 lumen, the intensity of the light, that is the 500 lumen. It is operated in between the 220 to 240 volt AC and 50 Hertz. It is all the specification is written here. It is of course a made in India product, and you will get 2 years warranty from the date of purchase. Finally, we have installed the Wipro batten 5-watt batten on the wall by the wall mounting clips. You can see here. Now it is ready to light up. Now you can see how it looks like at the night time when the light is switched on. You can see this 5-watt LED batten is enough to lighting up this staircase. You can see clearly bright light is emitting from this LED batten. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.